Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English channel. In today's session we are going to talk about advertisement writing. This is the fourth video of writing skill section in which I will teach you how to design an advertisement. It is also one of the good questions where you can fetch good marks in your English language paper. It's very easy also. You have to read the questions carefully and you have to chalk out the informations which have to be mentioned inside your advertisements. So please friends, do read your questions carefully and try to count the informations like contact number, main content and flat number. These kinds of things try to figure out which you have to insert into your advertisement and then start writing your advertisement. So let's begin with today's session friends. So first I will teach you format. So as you can see on the screen, there is a format of accommodation. So it is an advertisement of accommodation. First of all, you have to write title of your advertisement in capital letters and then content in small caps, or you can say small letters, right? Here I have designed an advertisement of accommodation in which there is a flat on second floor at Vijayanagar, and I have mentioned the contact number. So this is how you have to design the ad, right? Now we have got two types of advertisements. One is your classified advertisement, second one is your commercial advertisement. In classified advertisement, you can send ad for to let, for sale, vacant, tuition, house for sale, these kinds of advertisements. So this ad which we have taken it for example, that is called classified ad. Second is commercial. Commercial ad is for product launching and display ad. In product launching, it's they show big ad. They take big space in newspaper and then throw that ad. Like for the launching of any car, for the launching of any vehicle, for that's called your commercial ad. So these are the two types of advertisements you can give in the newspaper. Now let's move to the tips of writing an ad, right? So ad should be as per the psychology of consumer. Always remember friends, you have to think about your customer, to whom you want to send this ad, or to whom you want to see this ad. So you have to design your ad as per the psychology of your customer or consumer. It should follow the changing trends. So your ad should be as per the present trends or present scenario. So you have to design the ad in such a way it should maintain the quality of present scenario. Next, it should be brief, yes, because when you go to any newspaper agency or any kind of newspaper press, they'll ask you to write an advertisement in limited number of words. Let's say they ask you to write an advertisement in 25 words. So you have to design advertisements in only 25 words. Not word limit should not cross. If you cross it, you have to pay more amount, right? So and in the question also, when you write, when you look at the question in exam paper, so they'll write design an ad for only 25 words or 30 words. So you have to design your ad within the word limit. Next, it should be captivating and unique. Always remember friends, it should be unique, it should be designed in such a language, in such a way, it should just, your reader should understand it in once they read it, right? It should not create monotony, it should not be monotonous, it should not be like the same trend which have to be followed. You have to put something different. So this is how friends you have to design your ad in the question paper so that you can fetch good marks. Format is very simple. You have to use heading for capital letter and then content for small letter. So I hope friends you have understood the concept of writing an advertisements in your question paper. Do write your exams nicely. Best of luck friends. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. And do subscribe Easy English channel to get more information in English language. And if you have any doubt, you can write on comment section. I'll talk to you there. And if you have any queries, questions, you can ask there. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.